Hey guys, JT here with just I guess a relaxing drive of the HBX. I think it's 12891. I got this from a RC Moment, and I am just out here chilling. It's about 80 degrees at night, and I am just chilling. I love summer nights. I love summer period, just in general. In case you guys don't know that about me, I love it. I love the heat. I love coming outside, feeling the sun beating down on you and all that. And I love summer nights because it gets dark around about 9 o'clock, at least here in Atlanta, and it makes for longer nights, and all kinds of everything else that goes with summer: swimming, enjoying time with family, barbecues, cookouts, just etc., etc., etc. So, don't get me wrong, the winter's good too, but I love summer. I just love the weather. So, but anyway, I'm out here just driving this. I haven't driven this in a minute, or at least filmed it. I've been driving it periodically here and there, but I figured I'd go ahead and, while I'm out here chilling, go ahead and get a quick video. And I have to say, guys, I've had this thing for a couple months now, and I do like driving it. For what it's worth, I told you guys things about $100 or so shipped, and it runs good, and it's still running strong. I mean, I've ran it, I don't know, 20 something, almost 30 times or something like that on off-road. I haven't tried to break it, like jumping over ramps and running into walls, stuff, to test the durability of it. But it's been a very, very, very fun car. So I will put a link in the description if you guys are interested in this. But I have really enjoyed this car, I do have to say. And it does use those vape type batteries in it. So, and it does come with a charger. You guys can see all that. Just search my channel for an unboxing and stuff of it. But it's just sometimes good to get out, drive a car, and just relax. Not have to worry about driving the fastest, the biggest, the baddest, the most uniqueness car. Just getting out and just driving and just enjoying. That's kind of what this hobby to me is all about. There'll be days where we, of course, have our bad days. Stuff's just breaking everywhere. I've had those days, tires coming off cars and batteries puffing up, brand new batteries, and of course, get stuff, and stuff is not put together right and all that. But at the end of the day, when you just have stuff you can just kind of take out and run and enjoy, that's what it's about, at least for me. So, and this is one of those cars for me. And it can also, of course, run off-road. You guys, like I said, go back to my channel, look at some videos on it, and you guys will see all that: unboxings, runs, on-roads, off-roads, final thoughts, first run thoughts, etc., blah, blah, blah. One thing I am going to try to start doing, I know I keep saying, I'm going to start trying to bring up some ramps or something, or getting some small ramps for even when I run cars like this, getting them out here and just running and jumping over stuff. I'm going to purchase some of those. Duratrack sells some portable ramps, and they're not that big, but they'd be perfect for like cars like this, or when I run some of my brush cars. I do plan on getting a couple of cars soon, like the new ECX Ruckus. I plan on getting that, y'all. I'm crack fiending. My RC budget is shot right now, but I do plan on getting that very soon and doing some videos on that and letting you guys know my thoughts on that. I did have the original four-wheel drive Ruckus that came out. You guys can check my channel for that. I did make it brushless. One of the things with that was just when you start going brushless with them big old tires, them differentials, just they couldn't handle it. But probably with a little work, shimming, and all that stuff. I know the word shimming is going to become a bad word in the RC industry, but shimming those will probably be better. But I'm curious as how this newer version is going to be, if they actually did some updates to that as well. So, but we'll see. When I get it, I will let y'all know. And this is full throttle. I have not let off the throttle not once. And you see I'm in the corners and it's not flipping over or anything. Oh, sorry. I don't know what happened there. It just paused out for a second. You get about probably, I'd say about 8 minutes run time 8 to 10, maybe a little bit more, a little bit less, depends on how hard. Come on, where you going? Where you going? You don't want to get in the camera? Depends on how hard you run it. But I want to just run this out. I'm up here relaxed. I'm gonna run this more. Probably run a couple more cars and just chill out here for a minute and probably eat some fruit, vegetables, and chill. So anyway, guys, as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. Put your comments below and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.